pumping back onto the return manifold. This is our supply header. So the only time they're indirect is getting hot water is when a heating thermostat is calling for heat. Because right now it'll just pump cold water on the return. Smart. Smart. So we unsweat the 90 that was here. Did some surgery. Putting a cap on this. I'm gonna repipe this. New ball valve here. And now we repipe the supply how it should be. It's not the prettiest, but it's gonna work. And we're just doing some purging. Right, Wonton?
Yes, sir.
Say something to the people.
Hello, people.
All right. I got too big of thumbs, man.
Don't ask me to do it.
Zone 4 on priority. Zone 4 is this indirect. Supply is now going to get hot. Come back to the return. She's heating up.